Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, N.P. Detailing. Today's a quick short video on how to clean your engine bay. Very simple process. You have to take a bit of care, but I'll show you the steps. Check it out. Okay, first thing you got to do is look around for any obvious electrical connectors that are exposed, and also any places where there's vulnerabilities of water getting in. So everything here in a modern engine most of the time looks pretty watertight. There are some areas you have to be careful on, like not to saturate the alternator. Luckily for me, the alternator is well in there, tucked away, so I haven't got a problem with that. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is just rinse down the engine bay with some fine mist of water. So no pressure, nothing major, just a quick wet, just so you can get things getting a little bit cleaner once you start putting the degreaser. Done. Next thing you do, get your brush, get a soft bristle brush, degreaser, and I'll put a link below. Sorry about the police car in the background. And I'm just gonna go over everything with a brush. Then you'll see the results once I rinse. Literally just going over everything, just agitating the grease, so when it comes to rinsing, it just rinses away nice and easily. Cobwebs. All right. I never use a jet wash purely because I don't want to get forced through 130 bar worth of pressure water going in all the electrics. I think it's the worst thing you can do, really. Most of the components are actually sealed, sensors and stuff, and I'll show you what I'm going to use shortly just to help get rid of all the water. This is called the Big Boi. It's not that big though. Mini blower, heated. So might get a bit of noise, but listen to some music while I carry on doing this. Can't get away doing this. Use a drying towel just to dry excess water. Make sure I don't drop this in there. GSM. All I need to do, spray it on. This stuff is good for rubbers, plastics. It coats the plastic and then it dries on there and it leaves a nice little film which just protects. Right, give it about an hour, let it warm up and we'll see how it looks later.